So I've been asked to do a video on guide coats. So this is the Subaru Impreza that I've been repairing, and it's nearly ready for paint. It's had a couple of coats of primer on there, and before I rub this primer down, I'm going to put a guide coat on so I can see any high, low spots and obviously where I'm going when I'm rubbing it down. So first of all, what you want is some aerosol black. Any aerosol black will do, satin black preferably. Bucket of warm water. So you put the aerosol in the warm water, you heat it up and it comes out a lot finer, it'll spray finer. So you'll have a finer mist of paint when you dust it across the panels. So I've got that can out of water now and it's warmed up to temperature. So we're just going to give it a good shake up and then we're going to apply our guide coat. That's all you need. Nice even mist. You're not painting the car. You're just putting a guide coat on. That's all it is, a guide coat. Do the next panel. Move on to the wing. Then we'll go on to the bonnet. A bit tight for space in here. I'm just going to move back a little bit. So that's the car in the guide coat, and it's now all ready to rub down. So this car's been primed a couple of times before. It's had an epoxy primer on it and it's had a high build primer on it. I did this exact stage the last time I did it. I went through these stages that I'm doing now. It was all guide coated up and sanded down, and this is the last couple of coats of primer I've put on. So the car, it's been primed twice before this. And this is the last time it's been primed, and then it'll be prepped up with 240. I'll do it with 800, and then the car will be painted, be masked up and painted. So I'm just going to rub a bit of this down, and that'll show you the purpose of the guide coat. So I've just rubbed a bit down there to show you how the guide coat works. So at the top there you can see some of the guide coat still on there where I've not rubbed it down, and you can see where I've actually rubbed it down So there's a bit of a low spot there, so that one's taking down a bit more, and then that bit there, that'll be flat. So once all this is rubbed down with 240, I'll do exactly the same. I'll guide coat it all up again, and then I'll go over it all with some 800. Then after that, when it's masked up, it'll be ready for paint. So if you've got any questions, remember to say please and thank you, as manners cost nothing, and I'll see you in the next video.